Welcome to visit Kotonlink Smart Door Lock Factory. Kotonlink is an original OEM and ODM manufacturer, specialized in developing and sales of smart locks and peripheral accessories. Before started the smart lock business, we already have more than 10 years manufacturing experience in electronic product industry. We have both products and solutions to smart homes, smart residential buildings, smart hotels, smart apartments, smart offices, facilities and leisure facilities. If you have any demand for smart locks, please feel free to contact us.